Supreme Court on Monday agreed to hear pleas against the abrogation of Article 370 by the centre after the summer vacation. A bench comprising Chief Justice N.V. Ramana and Justice Hema Kohli took note of the petition, which said that the entire matter needs urgent hearing in view of the delimitation exercise being carried out in the state. The court agreed to reconstitute a 5-judge bench to hear pleas after the summer vacation. The centre has decided to abrogate the provisions of Article 370 and the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganisation Act in 2019, which split Jammu and Kashmir into 2 union territories, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. In a recent incident in Kanpur, a crime branch officer was suspended after a video of him went viral on social media. In the video, the officer can be seen smoking hookah with a gangster, after which the action was taken. The officer, identified as Mohammad Asif, can be seen sitting with Kanpur's Ankit Lala in the video. Taking cognizance of the matter, Joint CP Kanpur Police Anand Prakash Tiwari ordered an investigation into the matter. The Samajwadi Party shared the news on its social media account and demanded action against the cop. The incident has been called a blot on the police department, and the inquiry has been ordered keeping in mind the zero-tolerance policy against criminals. The 16 Shiv Sena workers who were arrested by Khar police yesterday have been granted bail by the court today. All of them have been released. They were arrested following a ruckus outside the residence of Amravati MP Navneet Rana and her husband MLA Ravi Rana. On the other hand, MP Navneet Rana and her husband MLA Ravi Rana were sent to 14-day judicial custody by Bandra Magistrates Court today. The couple had announced that they would play Hanuman Chalisa outside the house of Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray, Mutashri, following which a chaos ensued. While the 16 Shiv Sena workers were granted bail, the MP and MLA couple have moved to the High Court over quashing of FIR. A swimmer from South Africa has completed an unthinkable stunt and broken her own record to set a new Guinness World Record. Amber Fillery from South Africa registered her name in the record books for the second time by swimming a distance of 295 feet and 3 inches under ice. Fillery had the same record to her name 2 years ago in Oslo, Norway, where she swam a distance of 229 feet and 7.9 inches. Her latest attempt, which carried out in Kongsberg, was done without fins or a diving suit. A week after communal clashes broke out in northwest Delhi's Jahangirpuri, Hindus and Muslims took out a Tiranga Yatra to discuss solidarity and convey the message of unity between the two communities. While personnel remained deployed in the area, police removed many of the barricades to scale down security arrangements during the day. The Yatra started around 6 p.m. and ended after 30 to 40 minutes. This was the first step towards the show of solidarity between the two communities and a step towards the re-establishment of normalcy in the violence-hit area. Communal violence broke out in Jahangirpuri a week back when stones were hurled at a Hanuman Jayanti procession, leading to clashes and the death of 8 police officers and some civilians as well.